confusing or what? Done it! Got them eventually. Oh dear. I'll nearly give up. Oh dear. Got some fresh strawberries. Oh well. Better not get lost now, as I'll be eating these for my tea. See a footpath sign. I don't know where it takes me. Hi. Oh, it sounds like football or something. Look at this gorgeous house. That is stunning. Sorry for nosying your house, but it's lovely. That pretty house. Isn't it gorgeous? Ugh. Byway. I don't know where they go. Let's have a look. I can hear people. So let's just have a nose up here quickly. Sounds like a few people up this way. I don't know where this is going. I can hear football, yeah. This looks like it goes out to a car park. Don't know where they've just come from. This is all fun and games. They'll probably all be in bed by the time I get back. Oh, fall down a hole. Caravan. Back of the farm now. Yeah. Don't want to go this way. I'm getting further and further away from where we're staying. So I think I'll go back that way. Keep to public footpath. Don't even know where it takes you. Yeah. If I had more time, I'd go and have a nose. But not today. I think I can get through here. Let's go this way. Sorry for the terrible camera work. Here, footballs being kicked. Oh. I don't even know if I'm allowed in here. It's a football ground. Yep, football. We could hear footballers. More caravans. Yeah, football. Right, come on. Don't know what I'm talking to, and it's only me and the camera. Right, I need to get home really. So many things scullying away in the leaves. That is one pretty house. Look at that. Ooh, scullying again. Right. Byway. I'm not sure what a byway is. What's the difference between a footpath and a byway? Ah, cars, bikes and horse and cart. That's what byway is. Shall we go down here? Yeah, we'll risk going down here. Smell barbecue. Oh, car coming. Let's get out of the way. Typical. I hope I'm not coming to a dead end and can't get out. It would be annoying. It's a lovely little place, this. Find I can't even get out. Flowers for sale. Got any flowers though. This is where the posh people live. Well, people with money anyway. Look at that. Gonna get eaten alive. Back to the beginning. Yes. At home now then. Great stuff, that's where I started. I'm not that stupid then. Hey. Right. This is the road we're on. It'd be lovely if it weren't full of cars and little horse and carts trotting up and down. Oh, car. to where we started now. Pulling out the way, let that car past.